first step is to remove this lower plastic panel. First, we're going to remove these plastic clips. Use a pry tool or a flat screwdriver to pop the top of them down, and then the bottom. Now, inside the hole here on both sides is another clip that you can access from the back side. Next, there's two 8mm bolts to remove, and then we can pull the whole thing down. Next, we're going to go ahead and remove this panel with the two 16mm bolts. Our 2020 Gladiator comes with these mounting holes for the cover that was on it, so we can reuse the factory hardware. Now, our 2018 JL Rubicon does not have these threaded bungs. If your Jeep does not have the threaded bungs, we do include button head hardware, and there is a slot in the bottom that you can actually reach up behind to put a flange nut on to utilize this hole anyways. Then you're going to take your factory hardware, hold it up, and start both sides. For the other mounting tabs that we have, you're going to use the supplied button heads and flange nuts. Go ahead and just stick the flange nut in and start your button head. The last step is tightening up all the bolts. Once you have all 4 bolts started, go ahead and push the plate into place. Snug up the 2 front bolts. Then we're going to go ahead and tighten the button heads. You're going to use a 7/32 Allen wrench to tighten these bolts.